Hi guys, today we're doing a video, and today I'm here with IKEA God, and a ton of other my friends. As you can see in chat, I was just talking to them. But I don't know really what we're doing today. I'm just kind of being Come on, dude. Say hi. It's so close. Stop it. But yeah, I'm just gonna randomly play Minecraft for 15 minutes or something. I don't know the time on it. But yeah, with this guy, with Ali and IKEA guy and Roxanne or whatever. If you want to join me, I will put the link of this server into my description. But yeah. Okay, I cannot do this F1 thing. Okay, gotta go first round. But I don't think they know what I'm saying. Yeah, they can't know what I'm saying. But right now I'm making a grinder for this girl. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and I'm just gonna finish this real quick. I'll show you the finishing project of all these sides right here, and then I'll do the one. But yeah, this is pretty much the outlines right now for this grinder. So yeah, please tell you're recording. Okay, well my friend just convinced me to just do this wall and then I'll do the rest off camera. So I gotta get building because I have like a 15-minute time limit. I don't want to overexceed it. Actually, how about I just make a part 2 of this? Ooh. I like that. I don't know how you guys like it though. I might do it part 2 of this. You gotta fix this here. Here, I'll fix it. But let's just build this wall. And this is all I'm doing is placing a block and place the thing right here. And so I don't use so many blocks. Move out of my way! Thank you. I'm just doing it every, like, other one. Like, right here, I have to do 2. I mastered this. I did it on my island, too. With Ali. I don't really know what to say. I don't really talk when I build. Eek! No! I messed up. They're curious about the intros. They haven't. I don't think they've seen my YouTube channel yet. So it's just like they don't actually have an idea of what my intro is or how I sound. Yeah. No! But, sorry I've not been uploading so much lately. I've just not had the time to, or I find out some excuse that I don't have to record. Because I honestly never get anything to do with recording. They are missing so many blocks. Girl, break these blocks. But yeah, this is pretty much my normal basis when I record. It's just craziness. I hope I got all those. So now you can see my normal life for recording when I try. I actually have pretty quiet right now. Slash pretty quiet. It's my story in the background and my brother playing some YouTube channel on his TV. Oh god, I'm running out of glass way too fast. Ah! I'll put the server link in the description for you guys. Oh god, the annoying part. Thank you. But if you ever want to build this, I will probably make some type of video on how to make this later into the YouTube channel of my life. Because I get bored a lot in my life. Yeah, slow typer on this. Oops. They always think I'm a slow typer because of what's it called? The recorder thing makes it so much slower so you can actually see it. And I'm like, just let me type fast, please. Because I'm actually a really fast typer for my age. But I really suck at typing, like, words, because I get too excited and I type too fast. But that's pretty much what the first roll looks like. I'm gonna pause this, and I'm gonna do the rest of the rolls, and I'll see you when you're done. Okay guys, I finished, the outside of this, and this is how it looks. This, I don't know what I'm gonna do with yet. Like, on mine, Allie, she just put rainbow things. I don't know if I'm gonna do this with this one, and this, I don't actually know what I did. I just kind of built. I didn't have any of the coordinates right. I didn't have anything right. I was just building. But I kind of actually like how it turned out. That's another island. But this is the pink side. I still have to do purple, blue, and lime. Cyan. And lime. Which is that one, that one, that one. And the guy sadly had to go. He just AFKing overnight. So I can build. But, yeah. I don't know actually what I'm going to do now because I don't want to build all night building these stupid things. Because they take like 5 freaking minutes per one of them. And it's going to take me like an hour just to go through. But, I don't feel like building. But, I need to learn how to stream so I can stream. It'll be fun. Because, I don't know. Very nice. Oh no. It's all melted now. No. Oh. Sorry. I wanted ice. But, yeah. So, I'm trying to learn how to stream. Slash this guy. Yeah, this guy right here is adding me. I believe right now. Sorry, wrong person. Don't judge my conversations, okay? But yeah, he's gonna add me, and then he's gonna show me how to stream, I guess. So I can't leave this island because if I do, I will not be able to get back. And I do not know how to get around this obstacle. I don't have a sign. So yeah, this sucks. Um, by the way, I do have a texture pack on, so if this all looks different to you guys, it is actually different because I do have a texture pack on. But yeah, I'm gonna try something. I want to see if I can put a warp sign here. Oops, that's not how you feel welcome. You must be on your island to place a welcome sign. Okay. Shoot. What was his name? Ikea. I think it's a he. Oh god, is Ikea even on here? Ikea Tefo. Ikea's not even on. Meaning he or she don't have a warp sign, and I see this little screw up here. I see you, my company. But I will see you guys when I either start streaming, or this video ends, or something like that. So yeah, I'll do the intro in a minute. Oh yeah, if you do see my my Discord right there, it does not say Julio, it says Julio. It's from a YouTuber I watched. Don't ask. Just don't even.